Hello, it is Dr. Brian Laneville here with another health tip. In this video, I'm going to share the relationship between chiropractic adjustments and weight loss. Chiropractic adjustments rarely receive recognition for their ability to assist in weight loss. However, a chiropractic adjustment may directly change body chemistry, a result proven to be a major factor in helping both men and women lose weight. Sound science behind the benefits of an adjustment clearly shows the connection between spinal health and weight loss. Losing body fat is a challenge that connects with overall body function. Losing body fat while gaining and keeping muscle revolves around proper body chemistry. Balancing body chemistry derives from balancing hormones. A chiropractic adjustment not only balances body hormones, but also creates an overall improved state of wellness. The spine directly interacts with the part of the brain, the hypothalamus, that controls all major hormones, including those that deal with the weight loss and muscle gain. Whenever the spine misaligns, which is called subluxation, due to physical, chemical, or emotional stresses, it results in interference to the nervous system. The interference triggers an increase in stress hormones and a decrease of growth hormones through a stimulated hypothalamus. This alteration in stress hormones prevents the body's ability to reduce amino acid breakdown and recycle amino acids from the blood. The breakdown of muscle and the loss of fat are all mediated by hormones. Chiropractic adjustments help balance hormones through the spine's direct relationship with the brain. No amount of protein that can be consumed in the form of food, powders, shakes, or bars can force the body to spare muscle or manipulate fat stores when hormones are out of balance. Multiple lifestyle factors also alter the balance of body chemistry, forcing the loss of muscle and accumulation of fat. Poor spinal health exists as one major example often overlooked by almost every medical doctor, nutritionist, trainer, or weight loss strategist. Many people who begin receiving chiropractic adjustments find it easier to lose fat and gain muscle using their previously established regimen of diet and exercise. Chiropractic adjustments facilitate changes in body chemistry, which can only be balanced within the nervous system. Creating a subluxation-free environment empowers the body to balance hormones and improve overall wellness from the inside out. I hope you enjoyed this health tip. Please like, comment, and share this video. If you would like to consult with Dr. Brian or Dr. Ellie about your health goals, please give us a call at 630-325-5522 today. If you'd like more information, you can also email us at info@chicagolandnuka.com or check out our website at www.chicagolandnuka.com. Have a great day.